Okay, so this is my science project, and here I'm just going to start explaining. So the battery comes in here to this little guy. This is the
Regulator.
regulator. Thank you. So considering we don't need 9 volts from this battery, it just converts it to 5 volts. Then it runs to the ground, and it runs to the top part, whatever you want to call it. And this is an and. Let's see if I have my paper. That's not it. Actually, no, I can still use that. So, it's like this is the and. If they both have power, this is gonna be a 1. So it represents 1 power. But if this one doesn't have it and this one does, there's no power. But it's different with the OR. If the OR has 0 on this one and 1 on the bottom, that's still 1. And if they both have 1, it's still 1. But if they both have 0, then it's 0. Then I have no clue where the picture went. I think I'll draw the rest quickly. Okay, there we go. So it comes in with 1 power, and then it comes out with no power, no matter what happens. That's what happens. So this one's the not. I think this is the OR. Yeah, that's the OR, and that's the AND. So then I have this picture on my screen. Yeah, I'll demonstrate the switch as well. So like these two have the wires, and they both have power. The switch is on right now. It pivots around this, and this part here, it touches these. So when I flip the switch, it's gonna come to these, and then it has 1 power. It's kind of like the AND, except there's 3 running. So it's like that with the switch, and then I think the button's on the back here. Yeah, it's here. Don't mind this stuff. So with the button, you push it down, and these two are power. This one's coming in, that's coming out. So there's a spring here, it goes in, and then when you let your finger off, it comes out. And that's basically how a button works. It's like this one here. So now I'm gonna turn it on, switch. The light's on here because power's coming in through here, all the way through. I'm gonna push it, stop, goes. And this one is going to here. So it's, this is the not, or the inverter. This is the OR, so I can push 1 down, it's on, 1 down, it's on, both down, it's on, it's off. Then the little bug in here is connecting to the AND, which is this. So one's not on, one's not on. That little bug's not on. Oh yeah. This is how it works. It's a breadboard. These are resistors. This is a resistor. These are just a bunch of wires connecting to the buttons. That I'm not 100% sure what it's called.
And you don't need that either.
Yeah, just get rid of that. Okay, so yeah, just bye-bye. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got.
Want to hold it up and I'll take a picture? Hold it up so I can see the bug. Ready? Cool, buddy. Good job.
Okay.